Hi guys, welcome back. World's Okay-est mom here. If you're new here, welcome. Just a mom in front of a camera, something to clean. You're welcome. So today I wanted to clean out my refrigerator. It's a few days before Thanksgiving and I need to make room for all of those things to fit in there. I'm sorry I'm in shambles right now. I just got out of the shower. I usually look like this, so I can't have an excuse for any reason whatsoever. It's bright and early, so I figured what better way to spend it than cleaning out the fridge and finding something really gross in there, because I know something's dying in there, sadly. May it rest in peace. So let me flip you around. I'm a little nervous because I'm not sure how I'm going to get the right angles here because my fridge sucks. I don't have the nice fancy like French door ones. It's very freezer on top, fridge on bottom, and in the depths, like way deep back there. So we'll see how it goes. But I'll flip you around and kind of show you the inside of hell. Welcome along. I mean, real quick, guys, if this is any indication of how the inside of the fridge looks, like, Christ. It's and then it's on the sides too. Oops. Oh well. We've all been there. Okay. Yeah. I apologize for nothing. So, Hot Mess Express. There's tons of stuff in there. And I know you're like, what? The magic is shattered. Yeah, I know. We don't have like super healthy food. But I know there's stuff like deep, like the deep south back in there that's rotten. And that's what I hate about this fridge is everything gets pushed back in there and you're like, oh, right, there's my cucumbers from 7 months ago. I wondered where they ran off to. So, I want to obviously haul everything out. This is what I usually do. I take everything out. And I wiped down the fridge completely. I put the things in the sink and wipe them down. And then I, one by one, take everything back out or take everything and put it back in. But yeah, I don't know how I'm going to do this, but let's get started. Well, there you have it. And puke. Bleh. How does this happen? Gross. Yeah. That's how awesome our fridge is. We have to hold it together by duct tape. I know that in a normal setting, people would be throwing it away as they're getting it out, but not me. I also wanted to show you the amount of stuff my freaking fridge holds. Obviously the stuff in the back here, that's not, and the drinks, we're not in there, but I mean, that's an insane amount of food. And I also, I'm sure some of you are screaming, that's so wasteful. You're gonna throw that all out. There's starving people in China. Listen, guys, we've all been there, right? Where things just kind of get forgotten and you thought you'd, make sushi or do this special Ina Garden recipe that required some virgin's blood from Denmark. I don't know what you were doing, but there's some things you start and you're like, I can't do this. And you're like, we'll save that for another day. And then another day never happens. So yeah, Like my pesto, guys, this isn't bad. This is just how pesto is, but it probably has been in there a skosh too long. So I probably should get rid of it. Again, like yogurt, best by June 2020. Like, I'm such a horrible person. Alrighty, and did you see the science experiment? Oh my gosh. Okay, well, now is the time to hoe it all out. Well, check, we hold it all out. We need to clean this thing. And then we'll put it back together. Like Humpty Dumpty. That's exactly what it is. Alrighty. Holy moly, it's like a brand new flippin' fridge. Okay, so I'm gonna wash those in the sink. I was just kind of wiping them down a little bit, or getting them, I guess, like pre-soaked in a sense with my little Lysol spray stuff. But my gosh, guys, that was all in my fridge. Still have this to go, but it's soaking too. So let's get it. Okay, so I quickly realized that as I'm washing that, I'm gonna need more counter space to dry the larger ones. So I'm gonna go through the throwaway stuff and maybe try to condense it. Alrighty. Okay, this can go. I apologize for my dog. He's, you know, just annoying. But I love him. These can go. I know, guys. I'm sorry. Throwing away food. I hate it too. Old. Disgusting. No one liked it. Wow, we're really kind of striking out here. Oh, yeah. Yes. Bye-bye. I don't know about you guys, but okay, coconut aminos. I'm not a fan. They're so sweet. They taste sweet, but this is where it's at. Get this. Get these. Liquid aminos, guys. I know this isn't like a food haul or anything, but it kind of is. Soy sauce alternative. It tastes just like soy sauce, but it doesn't have the soy. One like this. Those can all stay. My kids are addicted to bagels. Oh, this can go. Pieces you. I hate this. So when you have like a little bit, I get in the frame there, Leslie. You have like a little bit left, but it's I love this sauce, but I don't want to throw it away. But there's like a tiny amount left. Like, annoying. Okay. This is not garbage, by the way. That's garbage. Shabby, not too shabby. Good. Good. Fine. Cheese. Fine. We could probably say goodbye to like bread. Okay. That didn't really help, did it? Let's try this side. Bye-bye. 1,000-year-old KFC gravy. These have served us, I'm going to say they're gots to go. I know, I'm sorry, I'm throwing away expensive yogurt. It makes me grumpy too. You can blame my children. So they were on a yogurt kick, I bought them, and then it was like, I'm done. Bye. These pancakes, I know they look rough and old, but they're really not. Like within the week, man. And I'm gonna put them in a different container. This stuff can all go, but I'm not throwing away the containers because save those. Those are good. This is fine. Fine. Not fine. That's fine. Really? I guess I have no one else to blame but myself. I'm sure you all saw this. Like, what the F? Fine. Okay. That didn't really help either, but oh well. This is almost like a reverse food haul. Like, here's my crappy food that I'm throwing away. I'm gonna pile it up there and make some room. Okay. Oh, let's not forget the mystery in a to-go container. Yeah. Bye. All right, that kind of helped. Not really. But we press on. Huzzah. I almost forgot the science experiments. Those can't be forgotten again. Okay.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. I can't forget the day we met. You looked so fly in your red Corvette. Your hair, your look, your everything. When I see it all, I knew that you were mine. I'm in love with your hair, your lips, your silhouette in the moonlight shine. With my love you won't ever be alone. My summer love, been waiting for you, my love. Completely a fool, been waiting for you, my love. Head over heels, I'm blinded by what I feel. My love is forever yours. You have my heart heart, you have my soul, you have my whole, you have my control. Love me tender, love me sweet, with you I know that I'm complete. I'm in love with the summer's day, for you I'd give my life away. Never leave me, never let me go, my summer love, be waiting for you, my love. My summer love, be waiting for you, my love is forever.
Okay, guys. Have the big reveal here. It is just so clean. I wiped down everything. I didn't show you, but I wiped down everything before I put it back. Like the juices and the jugs and the condiments and stuff. It just looks so clean and good and ready to be filled with Thanksgiving treats. I hope this motivated you to clean your own fridge and find your own wonderful rotten food. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and happy Thanksgiving.